beautiful and it's huge, and it's probably 18 to 20 feet tall and about 15 feet wide, right? So the thing is it hasn't been maintained. You just got here, you know, the people who were here before, maybe they didn't know, or maybe whatever, they didn't do it. So that there's not a ton of weight on this thing damaging the branches, I feel like you need to do a very heavy prune. It's like, you can tell in there's a lot of dead stuff. So it's either in the fall or it's in the spring, early spring, like early April. You'd go in there and massively bring it back. And I mean, it's like more carnage than you can possibly imagine with this thing, just for its health, like for its best life moving forward, as opposed to like all the weight now and then splitting the branches and the trunk, and you know what I mean? It's like, it's just overdue.